Good morning, students. After 2 days break, I'm back again. So let us start the rest of the questions there in exercise 1.3. Alright. And the first question, that is question number 4 in that exercise. Question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4 is okay. Question number 4 is write down all the subsets. Write down all the subsets of the following sets. So some sets are given to us. We have to write down all the subsets of these given sets. Alright? And the given sets are, the first one is, say this is set A, is this one. Roman number 2, this is suppose set B, and it is given as A comma B. Roman number 3 is it's suppose set C, 1, 2 and 3, and Roman number 4 is 5. What is Roman number 4? It's 5. So we need to write down all the subsets of these given sets one by one. Alright? Fine. The first one. So let us go to the answer now. Answer to Roman number 1. This is A. Okay. Here, number of elements n is equal to how many elements we have here? 1. Therefore, number of subsets this set can have is equal to the power, the formula was to the power n, yeah, and what is n here? N is 1, so it will be to the power 1. To the power 1 is 2. So for this set, having an element as A, will have two subsets. That is, the first one to A itself, and the second one is 5. As I already mentioned you earlier, the 5 will be the subset of every given set. So the first subset of this set will be A and the second subset will be 5. So how many subsets we have here? 1, 2. That is what we mentioned here. Alright? Fine. This is Roman number 1. Now Roman number 2. Roman number 2 set B is equals to A comma B. Alright. Here, number of elements is equals to 1, 2, 2. Okay. Therefore, number of subsets is equals to, the formula was to the power n, and what is n here? It's 2, so to the power 2 is 4. So the number of subsets of this set will be 4. Now list them. How to list them? That is, first you just single this A, okay. After that you just take the second one, that is B. Now you just together both, this is A comma B, and finally 5. So count 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is what we mentioned there, right? So a set having 2 elements can have 4 subsets. These are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Screenshot, take a screenshot of this solution. Take a screenshot. Alright. Fine. So this is question number 2. So Roman number 2 done. Now Roman number 3. Roman number 3 is Roman number 3 is set C. Okay, and what set C is? It's 1, 2 and 3. Alright, here number of elements is equals to 3. Therefore, number of subsets is equals to 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8. So set C will have 8 subsets. How many subsets? 8. Alright, and let us list them. Okay, fine. So at first you just take single one. Firstly I am taking that, you just mention here, that is, the first one is 1, yeah, the second one is 2, you just take all the singles first, third one is 3. Now make them double, 1 with 2, alright, 1 with 3, 2 with 3. These are the best possible double order. Once double finished, you just go through all the elements. These are 1, 2 and 3. And finally, just you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if we add 5 here, it will make it 8. So how many subsets this set have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It's very simple, right? Very simple. Okay, so this is our Roman number 3. Let us move to Roman number 4 now. Roman number 4. Roman number 4 is 5. 5 means what? 5 means purely null and void. There is nothing in that set. No element. Okay. So here n is equals to 0. 5 means what? 5 means empty set. Nothing is there, right? If nothing is there, that means the number of elements in that set will be 0. So if the number of element is 0, then therefore number of subset is equal to 2 to the power 0. Anything the power 0 is always 1. कोई भी number का power 0 आता है, it is always 1. Okay. Then how many subsets we can have here? 1, and that is 5 itself. एक ही एलिमेंट है बोला और वो कौन, एक ही सबसेट है और वो सबसेट कौन है? 5. सो टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसका, राइट? ओके, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. फाइन. So this question number 4 is over. Now we are heading towards question number 5. Now we are heading towards question number 5. What is our question number 5? Question number 5 क्या देख लेते हैं? Okay. 5. How many elements has power set of A? 1 मार्कर है, ये 1 मार्क के लिए एग्जाम में पूछा जा सकता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. How many elements has power set of A if A is equals to 5. So number of elements in power set of A दिखाई दे रहा है. Power set of A is equals to again 2 to the power n. And what is n here? N indicates number of elements in A. Okay, fine. So अगर A जो 5 है तो इसके पावर सेट में कितने एलिमेंट्स होंगे? तो here A is equals to 5. Therefore, n number of elements in A will be 0. Therefore, number of elements in power set of A is equal to again 2 to the power 0. The formula is like this only, and what is n here? It's 0, so 2 to the power 0 will be 1, and that's the answer, and that is 5 itself. और वो element जो क्या है? 5 है. All right. Take a screenshot. Very simple, very simple. Next, question number 6. Question number 6. Okay. Don't forget to make proper note of whatever I taught you till today. बनाते जाना नोट को. ओके, होमवर्क्स को किया, क्लास वर्क का नोट मेकिंग बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि रिवीजन के टाइम में चाहिए होगा. ऑनलाइन क्लास है बोल के इग्नोर नहीं करना. ऑलराइट, फाइन. सो लेट अस गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Write down the following as intervals. Okay, question number 6. Write down the following. Write down the following as intervals. Write down the following as intervals. Okay, क्या बोला गया है? Write down the following as intervals. Done? Wait a minute. A call आ रहा है, but I will not receive that. Fine, fine.